Fundamentals of Chinese 2, Unit 2, Calling a Friend for Help, Pronounce it. Turn to page 162 in your textbook. Have a pen or pencil ready so you can take notes. Okay, we have a few new pinyin items for this unit. The first one is this bang, and bang is kind of like wang. Okay, so wang, like Wang Peng, is W-A-N-G. So you have this bang has the same ending, A-N-G, so it sounds just like Wang, but with a B, bang. Now, Wang is second tone, but this bang is first tone. Bang. So let's try that 3 times. Bang. 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 And remember that this A-N-G ending is going to sound, any Chinese pronunciation represented by this A-N-G is going to sound just like that. It will just change depending on the initial that's in front of it. In this case, a B. Okay, we haven't seen this before. This is Zhun. Okay, so you've seen ZH. So ZH is, you curl your tongue and make kind of like a G sound, zh, zh, with your tongue curled. And then this UN, I don't believe you've seen, it sounds like un. So you put that together and you come up with June. It almost sounds like June, except your tongue is curled because of this pronunciation here represented by GH. And then in this mix we add the third tone and we come up with June. June. So let's try that 3 times and then we'll put it together with bei to make this word prepare. June. 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 And let's try Junbei. Let's try that. Junbei. 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 Alright, next we have lian. This is new. Now, what is not new is the IAN. You've seen this with jian, like to see, except we have an L in front, so we come up with lian. You've also seen this in tian, in liao tian, to chat, tian, so you've seen a T-I-A-N. So this final, the I-A-N, Ian is the same in every case. Tian, jian, and lian. And this is a 4th tone, so it's going to sound like lian. Let's try that. Lian. 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 Lian xi. Let's try that. Lian xi. Lian xi. Lian xi. Next we have shuo. Now, you're familiar with SH and you're familiar with the UO. We're just putting these two together for the first time, I believe. You've seen this or in the word for duo, which means more. Duo, and it sounds similar to wo, duo, or, and now with this SH, your tongue is curled and you're making an SH sound. Shuo. Let's try that. Shuo, shuo, shuo. Alright, next we have a. And this a is just like the a in ma. Ni hao ma. A. Quite simple. A. No tone. A. Alright, next we have dan. Now, you've seen this an. It's like 4点半, 4:30. This is the character for half, as in half hour. Ban. So you're familiar with ban. We're just putting a D in front of it and we come up with dan. And this is the word for but. Dan shi. Let's try that. Dan shi. Dan shi. Dan shi. Alright, next we have day. Day, which means must or have to. So it sounds like the A in hey, or the A in day, as in today for that matter. So it's kind of like saying day, as in today. And its third tone, day, day, day. Next we have gen. So we have the en as in taken, just like in hen for 很好. In this case we have a g before it, gen, gen, gen. And finally we have mian. So you have seen this final, ian, in tian as in liao, tian for chat. You've seen it in jian to see, and you just saw it in lian to practice. And so now we just stick an n before it and we come up with mian, jian mian. Both of these are fourth tone, so let's try that. Jian mian, jian mian, jian mian. And that concludes this pronunciation lesson.